Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in on Adobe Lightroom. Let's get started. First, open your Adobe Lightroom, and then in here you can click on the skip. Click skips, and then in here you can click sign in. But if you wanna Facebook, you can sign in with Facebook, or if you have a Google account, you can sign in with Google account. And then if you have a Apple account, you can sign in with Apple account. But in here I wanna sign in with Google account, so just click on the Google, and in here you can choose your Google account, this one, and then please waiting. And then click continue, click on it, and finish. So that's how to sign in on Adobe Lightroom. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.